Okay. And is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for the Shashka. If you notice, I wrote Shashka. It says Napravo Shagan. What that means is Shashka, right foot. Okay, there's right foot. So we start here, and we're going to turn. This is for regimental. And we're here. Now, anytime we make a motion, we should bring our what? We should be cutting, moving our heel, and then moving. Okay? So anytime we move, we don't want to what? We don't want to do this. We want to be this. Okay? So if I move to here, I step and cut. Why? The reason I'm doing this is to make sure that every motion I make is made with an attack or defense. Never extend your limb here and be in pause here, unless it's the bait. And if so, then you're going to go here, bait, and come back. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because we don't want to expose any part of our body without our shield. And the only thing we have to shield is this tiny little piece of metal. So that being said, we should get in the habit of being from here, and we say, oh, I'm going to step and cut. I'm going to move. Okay, so I'm bunched up together, now I move again, I go here. I bunch up again, here. Bring it back to here, here. Okay, and I continue. We should never what? Be this way. There's nothing protecting us. This is like, as we would say in Russian, niet. Loha, it's bad. Okay? So we want to get this habit. And again, I drew this out to make it simple. So, starting from here, we're here, and we step and cut. Bring it up, step and cut. Step and cut, step and cut. Okay? All right, Tony, you're up.
Wood swords or?
Wood swords, metal sword, doesn't matter.
Okay, turn this off.
Go ahead, turn it off. So, if I'm here, I want to step and cut. Okay? I need to what? Bring my foot over here, and then what? Step and cut here. And step and cut here. Step and cut here. Step and cut here. Step and cut here. And finish. Okay? So, this can now be applied if I'm here. Okay? I can do my molinet here, 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 and back if I want to. Again, what I want to do is I want to think, okay, I can use my regimental to back up, but I can alternate going forward. So you combine the two. So if I need to fight back, I can regimental back, but I can advance forward. Okay? And then regimental back if I need to. And I know then bumping, I can tell you where the end is. Okay, good. Fight somebody around in a circle. Okay? I step, 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 and I step. So, how does that apply? Well, hold on for a second.
Come on, pause.
All right, Tony. You're gonna be the man in the middle. Okay? Now I'm just gonna feed you a 1 and a 2. And that's the application. Make sense?
Makes sense.
That way you can learn to what?
Defend.
Defend and attack. So the only difference is when you go out here, now, good. The hardest thing is keeping your spot in space so you don't get dizzy. Just like in basketball. Okay, cut. Back here, nice healthy grip. Back in here. And we should be what? Step, here. Step, here. Step, here. Step, here. So, coming back to the line. So, if
Right
I'm
foot
here,
forward.
I'm going to go here.
That's what's
There you go. So if I'm here, the harpoon, there.
Oh, you better do that again. I didn't get the feet so well.
Step back here. All right, so with the peak. Now level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There.